The insane truth about IKEA Systems B.V. is a Swedish multinational conglomerate that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, decoration, home accessories, and various other goods and home services. Started in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad and currently legally headquartered in the Netherlands. IKEA has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. Have you ever wondered why IKEA stores are designed like mazes? Here's the insane truth about IKEA. They intentionally create a complex layout to keep you browsing longer. By guiding you through various departments and showrooms, they cleverly promote impulse buying. But that's not all. Did you know that IKEA's product names are not random? Each name has a specific meaning. For instance, furniture names are Scandinavian place names, while kitchen accessories are given functional names. This attention to detail makes their products memorable and distinct. Another mind-boggling fact is their supply chain. Unlike traditional retailers, IKEA practices vertical integration, owning forests and factories to control production costs. This allows them to maintain affordable prices while ensuring quality. And have you noticed how their furniture often comes in flat pack boxes? Well, this reduces transportation space, making it more efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. But wait, there's more. IKEA is also renowned for its Swedish meatballs, a clever strategy to keep customers in store longer with the irresistible aroma. Finally, did you know that IKEA is the largest global consumer of wood? In response, the company has committed to sustainable practices and using only renewable materials. So, next time you visit an IKEA store, navigate the maze strategically, decode the names, and appreciate the interplay of affordability, sustainability, and marketing that's led to their undeniable success.